What is a sales funnel and how does it work? Hi there, Tommy Olsson here. So what is a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is pretty much kind of sales process when you got someone on your list. Maybe you're offered a free giveaway, a valuable free giveaway to make them fill out the capture form, opt-in form. And then when they subscribe, they are into your funnel. Then a good funnel is created in a way that you should make as much money as possible through every lead. Now, not everyone will buy from you, but well, a good funnel should be set up in this way to make you as much profit as possible. And you should have a upsell. Maybe you have a product for $20 and then you maybe have an upsell for maybe $25 or $30 that benefits that first product, and to make it so that you may make some money at least by this offer, then you can have a downsell for maybe $15 or something like that, just an example. But now I thought I should show you a demo of something that launching the 29th of July called Mintbird, and where you easily can create any profitable sales funnel. So let's now have a look at that. So if you want to benefit from this new amazing cart builder and funnel builder platform, then click the link below, and everyone that takes action and buys Mintbird through my link on the 29th of July will get a free product by a free product by Brenda Mays called How I Made $2,000 in 20 Minutes with Facebook group, so that you get for free. And so click the link below and check out more about this offer, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.